Freelancers, and welcome to the Full-Thrive YouTube channel. We believe to work full-thrive, you find clients you like, do work that you love on your own schedule. Now, we're all trying to get more leads and find more clients, and I believe that a discovery call is a sales call that helps you really gain the information you need to put together a great proposal. But what do you say when you're on the call? I did a masterclass where I taught the freelancers how to prepare and what to say on a discovery call, and I'm going to give you a little insight into that now. Preparing for a discovery call. Now that you've landed a call, yay, how do you prepare for it? What do you need to do before you get on the call so that you show up ready, so that you wow people, so that you get the information you need? I'm just going to run you through how to prepare for a discovery call. Do your homework. Do your homework. Take it seriously, all right? What you want to do is you want to ask for some information. I think clients love this. When I confirm their call with me, so if they schedule through my Calendly link, guys, pro tip, I always hit reply and say, thank you. I want them to know that I saw it, and I will do it immediately after they book it. Again, ping pong, that little tiny bit of like, oh, she's there, she's watching, she's on the other end. All of those little things build into this like, wow, she's professional, she's on top of things. I will also might say thank you. In my Calendly link, I have a couple questions. I want to know if they know StoryBrand because that's the framework I use. I'll say, do you have a website or materials I can review before the call? And they'll drop it in there. I ask for information. I want them to know that I am going to prepare before their call. Right before the call, or as I'm preparing, I go back through their original request. So if they found me on Upwork, I will go back through and read their job posting. I will read their proposal. If they invited me, I will read the words that I want to make sure right before I get on the call, about 20 minutes before the call, that I am in tune and in flow with what they originally wanted. And then of course, I review any work they send me. I stalk them. I'll go look them up on LinkedIn. Guys, it's so easy. If once you get their Calendly link and you get their email address, oftentimes they'll use their work email, and whatever after the @ symbol, I hope you guys know this, their website is there, and so you can go and look at it. So I will do my very best to stalk a client before I get on a discovery call. See if you can find them on social media. All right. I spend about 20, 30 minutes. These days, probably a little bit less. I'll explain to you why when I do the structure of a call. But I do prepare. In the very early stages, man, I was so nervous. So I prepared. It was like a job interview. I literally want to blow them away with my knowledge of them. I want to surprise them. I may be the only one that got on a discovery call with them. Number one, already made a great first impression. Two, if I know what I'm talking about and I know how to compare it to what they need, they are really going to be impressed. Now, if truth be told, this is why. I don't like to mess around. I literally want to cut to the chase. In a minute, I'm going to tell you how I keep my discovery calls to 18 minutes. This is why. I've done my homework. I know what they need. I know how I can help them. I'm going to let them like chat for a few minutes when we get on the call, and then I'm going to cut right to the chase. Okay? Here's what I love. You can influence your clients or potential clients by you letting them know you're preparing for the call. If you give them information, your website, a blog you wrote, samples of your work, good clients will do their research too. They will prepare for the call. They will have questions. That's when you know you've got a great client. But don't just assume that they're going to do this. So kind of indicate to them, I say, for more information or to find out more about the way my writing style or to look at blah, 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 I highly encourage you to go check these out. So give them things to go do their research. Some people are creepy and they will stalk you. I don't recommend connecting on LinkedIn until you do a discovery call first. So if some people are a little too eager, that could be a little red flag. Hey guys, I hope you found that valuable. Are you looking for more information about freelancing? How to find clients you like, do work that you love on your own schedule? We've got a ton of videos, and if you subscribe, you will always know when the next video drops. We also have a Facebook group called the Full-Thrive Freelancers. We have great discussions over there, Q&A, and masterclasses that you don't want to miss. So if you want to get into a community, check us out there.